So here we're at a different project. We're doing some replacement windows. And John had removed all the moldings and pulled the wooden windows out. I don't know if you can see that because of the light here. And then left the screen in, or the storm window, sorry, the storm window. Maybe right here is a better place to show. So it's all cleared out. The storm window's still in, so that's all removed. That was great. And then down here, on the other side, this was collapsed, so we had to pull that up and put in a spacer in there so it had some support. Now this one appears to not have good support either, because we have a gap right in here of about 3/8 of an inch to a 1/2 inch. So we're going to see if we can pull that up. The other one we got in really nice. So I guess what I wanted to say about replacement windows, when your windows are really square, like this house is, it works really good. Just measure them up and they'll fit in there. If you need to, you can put a spacer on top or on the bottom. Now on this one we did a spacer on the bottom. Now on this side, and then we took the original moldings and did a molding on the outside. So that looks finished off really nice and caulked it. Now we have this gap here. Okay, there you go, you can see that now. So we could put a molding here. The problem is when you do that, there's variations. The windows, I mean, it's not perfect. So you're going to see the difference. Unless we do a molding way out to here, and you're still going to see the difference. So in this case, what we're going to do is insulate this right in here, tuck some good fiberglass insulation in there, bring it out really close, and then run caulking through here. And we may have to run a couple beads of caulking. But the nice thing about that is it's not much of a difference between the top and bottom. If there is a slight difference, you're not going to see it once we do the caulking there. And John did the ones on the other side already. It's going to look great. So that's what we're doing here. You know, some people might want to put new moldings in, and that's also fine. But either way, you want to insulate in here first. Okay, that's all I want to say on that.